doing something, and then he kind of told me off a little bit. He was like, "Don't mention it." I was like, "Oh, I didn't know that you've been winding them up." But then Paul did get his own back on you, so hey.
Oh, talking, yeah, Paul got his own back on me, and I will show you now. Hang on. So, Paul likes to have a drink when he's away in the van. He doesn't drink at home. A bit like us, really. Well, I don't drink at home. But you know, when you come on, you with friends, you have a couple of beers. Neil, stop it now. Just to answer 6 years of Van Life's question, are you missing Will? Just a little bit.
I'm missing Will a lot. I'm missing Will a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because when you went to work and when he wasn't off doing, I don't know, whatever he was doing, we had nice little chats.
Fair enough. No, he's literally
mum-son chats.
He's literally like family. So I mean, we've spoken to him loads of times. So just Google that campsite. You're on 50